passing. I think that it's time that I finally quit messing around.
Hiya. You're at a funny angle today. Right, I've got this glass tube and I'm going to use UV resin for this. I've got some moss and some flowers, and I've also got mushroom, but I've cut it in half. Don't know if I'm going to use them, so I'm going to quickly put on some gloves because I don't know how messy this is going to get.
Tiny blooms in a glassy home, petals shine like they're carved in stone. Bugs that dance in the softest glow, a secret world only you can know. Timeless breath on a summer's eve, crafting wonders you won't believe. In a tube where the magic stays, light bends wild in the UV's rays. Flowers bloom in a pocket sky, bugs take flight where dreams reside. A little world that you can hold, fragile beauty, bold as gold. Every twist of the glass reveals a hidden truth the light conceals. Beauty grows where it's least expected, tiny treasures so well protected. Glowing shadows light the dark, a spark of life, a fleeting mark. Carry it close, let the magic cling, a secret world on a key ring. Flowers bloom in a pocket sky, bugs take flight where dreams reside. A little world that you can hold, fragile beauty, bold as gold. Butterfly wings in a whisper's glide, flowers bloom where secrets hide. Reason catches the morning glow in a glass tube where dreams will flow. Keyring swings with a gentle hum, memories bound where the heartstrings strung, crafted by hands that chase the light. Tiger moth's touch makes the world feel right.
camera for a while. Hiya. Yeah, please subscribe. Let's do it this way. It's easier. I'm going to go that way. Turn you back. That's it. I can see you now. I had to turn it upside down because the camera was up the top and it was too high for me to video what I was doing. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that one. Please subscribe. It doesn't cost you a penny. It helps my channel to grow. Please share. If you think somebody else would like to see these sort of things I've done, please share my stuff. I don't care if somebody copies me. Fine by me. Hit the notification bell. Then you know I've actually uploaded. Make sure you hit all. Otherwise, I found sometimes, I don't know what it is, what YouTube do, but every now and again, I'm not getting notifications. So I go back in and I will unclick the bell and re-click the bell, because otherwise you don't get notifications, and that starts your notifications back up. I can never remember what I'm supposed to say. You got hit the notification bell, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Even if it's just to say thank you for the comment, or nice, nice words, horrible words, in or there, I don't mind. Subscribe, share it. There's one missing. I know there's one missing. What is it? Come on, people, help me. Share, bell, comment, subscribe. Oh, I am. Give me a thumbs up. I am useless. Old age. It's old age. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you don't like it. No skin off my nose. It's all... I can't even think of the words now. Why do I start things like this and can't think what I'm saying? Anyway, I'm going to go. I'm going to shut up and I'm going to go. So, hope you like that one. I actually think that is quite cute. Let me see if I can get it so you can see the... There's the bumblebee. And the butterfly. And the thing he's got in the way. Go away. There you go. I love it. I actually like that one. Anyway. Thanks, peeps. See you again soon. Bye. Bye.